Hi everyone, my name is Joy Divergence, and today I am here to walk you through a meditation. This one is to uproot what is in the root chakra and put in what is of goodness. This is my own design that I have come up with, and this is my first video of doing this with you. The first thing is to close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and relax. And take another deep breath in and relax. And allow all that is of goodness to flow into you. Allow the light, the divine light, to flow down through the top of your head, down into the ground. Let it flow. And take another deep breath in. And release it. And then allow all that you feel that is of the day's worries to melt away. Imagine that there is a white portal on the floor that is swirling and taking all the negative energies the heavy energies that have been weighing you down for the day. And take another deep breath in. Breathe in all that is good, all that is of light, all that is of love, beauty, and bliss. And release that. Then take another moment to allow yourself, to allow the healed, the healthy, the whole and complete, attuned, aligned, adjusted, and aligned, balanced and harmonized, highest and best energies of goodness to come to your aid and to support you at this time, in this place, in this precise exact moment, with bringing together the energies that are necessary at this present moment to allow the energies spoken of to be brought forth easily and effortlessly into the perfect, healed, healthy, whole, and complete energies. To come forward with the intention of supporting all energy within you now, in your mind, in your body, and your spirit, of those that are willing and open to release all dis-ease that is on a molecular, mitochondriac, cellular level, that are attuned, adjusted, aligned, balanced, and harmonized, and that are in rapport with blocking you from releasing and resolving these energies that I speak of, that are of the imbalanced attributes, that are scattered energies with anxiety and fear, lack of repressed creativity, sexual dysfunction, withheld intimacy, and emotional isolation low self-esteem, control issues, manipulative tendencies, and misuse of power, depression, difficulty in relationships, and lack of self-discipline, shyness, being withdrawn, arrogance, and increased anxiety, lack of direction, and lack of clarity, cynicism, disregard for what is sacred, closed-mindedness, and disconnection with spirit, to be released until it is resolved. Once resolved, I invite you to allow, and to say, I allow the healed, the healthy, the whole and complete energies that are already attuned, adjusted, aligned, balanced, and harmonized to support the space within your energies that are currently emptied, that are from the imbalanced energies just previously mentioned before, now to be filled with the foundation of perfectly healed, healthy, whole, and complete energies that is supported with, and that also supports the attuned, adjusted, aligned, balanced, and harmonized energies that supports your base chakra in releasing its imbalanced attributes and fills it with the perfectly healed, healthy, whole, and complete energies that start from and go up to red 1, energy of courage, that are also attuned, adjusted, aligned, balanced, and harmonized with passion, harvest, glory, mature love, sensuality, drive, tenacity, inner strength, romance. Scarlet is number 2. Energy of strength that is also attuned, adjusted, aligned, balanced, and harmonized with A, victory, physical energy, vitality, beauty, protection, invincibility, dedication, vigilance, willpower. Orange, which is number 3. Energy of joy that is also attuned, adjusted, aligned, balanced, and harmonized with pleasure, hospitality, community, belonging, home, fulfillment, friendship, family, loyalty. Gold, number 4, energy of success, enthusiasm, that are also attuned, adjusted, aligned, balanced, and harmonized with A, authority, satisfaction, confidence, incompetence, influence, happiness, excitement, adventure, power, and fame. Your yellow energies. Number 5, the energy of enlightenment that is also attuned, adjusted, aligned, balanced, and harmonized with A. Decisiveness, free expression, consciousness, warmth, optimum awareness, alertness, and clarity. Olive, green. Number 6, the energy of awakening that is also attuned, adjusted, aligned, balanced, and harmonized with A. Exuberance, intelligence, receptiveness, independence, learning, meaning, and change. Green, number 7, the energy of renewal growth that is also attuned, adjusted, aligned, balanced, and harmonized with A. Prosperity, survival, spiritual development, fertility, productivity, safety, idealism, good fortune, health, and birth. Turquoise, number 8, the energy of discovery, balance, that is also attuned, adjusted, aligned, balanced, and harmonized with A. Practically, empathy, flexibility, serenity, calmness, openness, understanding. Blue, number 9, the energy of trust that is also attuned, adjusted, aligned, balanced, and harmonized with A. Respect, compassion, honor, grace, purification, belief, acceptance, faith, prophecy, patience, recovery. Indigo, number 10, the energy of wisdom that is also attuned, adjusted, aligned, balanced, and harmonized with A. Long life, maturity, spiritual mastery, judgment, truth, experience, dignity, virtue. Violet, number 11, the energy of intuition that is also attuned, adjusted, aligned, balanced, and harmonized with magic, destiny, dreams, music, inspiration, imagination, elegance, and luxury. Amethyst, number 12, the energy of creativity that is also attuned, adjusted, aligned, balanced, and harmonized with A. Self-knowledge, perception, discernment, originality, self-esteem, insight, poetry. Congratulations. I invite you to bring your spirit back within your body, gradually, slowly. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. Congratulations. You have now completed Mother Nature course number 1. My name is Joy Divergence, and I send your direction lots of big bear air hugs. Namaste.